Hi, I'm Nicole Gunn, Consultant and Training Specialist for our Strategic Business Development Division. My current focus is our enhanced online reward platform, RewardTrax. In many situations, we found that our sister companies in the incentive industry are often incomplete with their reward offerings. This is where we come in. In today's current economy, having a cost-effective incentive program is an absolute must. My goal is to build alliances with other marketing and incentive professionals by offering RewardTrax as that missing link to their host of products. When you become a reseller for RewardTrax, I serve as a systems liaison so that you may better serve your clients. I will help you establish program goals, assess the target audience, and build marketing strategies to promote a successful incentive program. Not only that, I offer comprehensive training to ensure a seamless transition for you and your clients. Ultimately, you have expanded your product line, increased your clients' revenue, all the while reaping the rewards of your ROI. I look forward to the opportunity to work with you. If you'd like, check us out on the web at www.rewardtrax.com.